Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing a clean SD card and a full backup. Do not skip this. Copy Homebrew Launcher to the SD root. Once done, run a NAND and save backup to your PC so you can revert if needed. Make sure your Wii U has at least 50% battery or is plugged in. You want the essentials in place: SD formatted FAT32, Homebrew files on the root, and a verified backup, because modifications touch system areas and require a safety net. Next, copy Theme Manager and your WTH or compatible theme files into the /WiiU/themes/folder on the SD. Boot the Homebrew Launcher and update the manager if prompted, because version mismatch can break installation. Once launched, grant file access and navigate to the theme list. Select a theme, then choose Install or Preview. Take it slow. If a theme fails to load, check file names and format. Often the issue is a misplaced file path or an unsupported theme variant for your firmware. Finally, install your chosen theme and follow on-screen prompts. Once installation completes, reboot the system and open System Settings to verify the theme applied correctly. If animation or icons look wrong, return to Homebrew Launcher to uninstall or try a different theme file, and if necessary, restore your NAND backup to recover the original state. One key troubleshooting tip: if the console fails to boot or shows glitches, restore the backup immediately. This is the fastest, safest recovery path and prevents long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.